Hey, my name is Brandon from Southside Dodge. This here is the Grand Wagoneer Series 3. Let me show you a few of my favorite features here. Here we have the premium leather deep cushion seats in the Series 3 with 24 power adjustable seats, both with massaging seats, heated and cooled. Look at the space in the second row. It even has ventilated and heated seats in the second row. This vehicle has the best in class interior volume for both second and third row. I mean, look at all this space, and even the third row has power adjustable seats. These are some of my favorite hidden interior features. We got the heads-up display, the night vision, which is both pedestrian and animal detecting at nighttime. Got the digital rear view mirror, so you have optimal vision behind you. Going into the full bird's eye 360 camera display. Built-in hidden cooler to keep your drinks and juice boxes nice and cool. And the fam cam. You can see what your kids are up to, all from the passenger screen, which no one else can see. We have a maximum ground clearance total of 10 inches above, and it can be raised to a nice entry exit level, really easy to get into. 2023 Grand Wagoneer has a new twin turbo 3-liter inline 6, no longer has the 6.4 V8. This new engine produces 510 horsepower and 500 feet-pounds of torque and can still tow a max of 10,000 pounds. This is my favorite feature. Massaging seats by the fire.